I love it. Are you coming, Milo?
No.
Why not? Are you all right, Doodles?
Oh, dear. Oh, let's take him for a walk, Bella. Come on.
Chop, Doodles. Oh. What's wrong with Doodles? He always loves a walk.
Yeah, all dogs do. It's their favourite.
Yeah, that's right. My uncle's got a dog, and every time he says, "Walkies," he gets all excited and jumps up and down.
Your uncle?
No, Jackie, the dog.
Well, so does Doodles usually. There must be something wrong with him. I'll go and see if he's all right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a bad cough.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. That's a bad cough, Doodles.
Yes.
Don't you feel very well?
Well, no.
Oh, dear. Well, I'll have to see if I can make you better, won't I?
Oh, yes.
Now, let's see. When I had a cough, my mum told me not to run about because that can make you cough.
Oh, I see.
But you're coughing already and you're not even running about.
No.
So you better keep quite still and that'll help you get better.
All right.
Oh, Doodles, it sounds like you're getting worse. I'll tell you what. Now, you stay there and I'll go and tell the others. Remember, Doodles, keep quite still.
Right, quite still.
Oh, hi, Doodles. Are you sure you don't want to come for a run in the garden?
Oh, no.
Oh, no. You've got a cough.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, that's bad. I had a cough once, but it got better, so I haven't got it anymore.
Oh, good.
Oh, I'll have to see if I can make you better, too. Now then, I think the best thing to do, if you have a cough, that is to go to bed early. Yes, that's it, beddy
Great.
vibes.
Oh.
Oh, so you go to sleep and I'll go and get you a blanket.
Okay.
Close your eyes, Doodles. Now then, I'll go to sleep.
That's better. Hey! Oh, hello, Doodles. Oh, that's a nasty cough you got there. Yeah. You want to do something about that? Well, I'm trying. Oh, I know what you need. A nice warm scarf to keep your neck warm. Oh, I'll go and get you one. Back in a tick. Okay.
Oh, Doodles, that really is a terrible cough.
Yes.
Let me think. What are you supposed to do when you have a cough? Oh, I know. Put your hand over your mouth. You could use your paw. Oh, dear. Well, we'll have to see if we can make you better.
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, I know. I'll be your doctor. Now, let me feel your head. See if you've got a temperature. Oh, dear, oh, dear. It does feel furry.
Oh, dear.
Oh, but don't worry. Dr. Fizz knows just what to do. Now, come inside with me, where it's nice and warm.
Oh, yeah.